Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Flow Flourish. Today I'm going to show you how I cook this delicious Nigerian palm oil stew. My old subscribers, my new subscribers, you are highly welcome and you are blessed. You see this stew? You see how this stew look like? This stew is delicious. So stay tuned. These are my ingredients. These are my ingredients. So this is my onions, pepper, and my seasoning. This is my tomatoes, my carrots and pepper. This is the palm oil I'm going to use, and my chicken. So this is the chicken I'm going to use. I'm going to cook it for like 15, it depends, 10-15 minutes. Then I will remove it and dry it in the oven. So now it's on the fire. It will be here for like 10-15 minutes. So now it's cooked. I'm going to put it on the tray. So now I'm putting it on the tray. You can see it's on the tray now. Now I'm chopping my carrots. So now it's on the tray. I'm adding seasoning. So now it's in the oven. It's going to be here for like 10-15 minutes. So now it's ready. I'm taking them out. So now I'm going to add the palm oil. This is from the meat. I didn't add water. So this is from the meat. So I'm going to use it to cook this stew. So I'm adding the palm oil now. I'll cover it. Then after like 1 minute, I will add onions. So now I'm adding onions and I'm going to add my pepper. So now I'm adding my pepper. So now I'm adding my pepper. Add my pepper and I will stir it. I didn't fry the oil. I didn't fry my onions. I didn't fry my tomatoes. I'm cooking everything together. So now I'm going to add my tomato. So now I'm adding the tomatoes. After I finish adding the tomatoes, I'll cover it and let it cook for like 15-20 minutes. It depends. Then I will add my pepper and my carrot. And I'm going to add garlic. Yes, I'll add garlic. I didn't show you the garlic, but I'll add garlic. So now I'm adding the seasoning. I'll cover it. Then now I'm adding the garlic. This is garlic. I'll cover it. Let it cook for a few minutes. Then I will. So now I'm going to cover it, and after that, just for a few minutes, then I will add my pepper and carrot. So now I'm stirring it. After that, I will add my pepper. You can see the pepper. I've added it. And this is my carrot. So I'm going to cover it now for just maybe 1 minute. Then I will add my meat, which is chicken. So now you can see my chicken. I'm adding my chicken into the pot. Inside the pot. So I'll cover it for maybe 3 minutes. Then you can see it's ready. It's ready. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you all and appreciate you all. Bye. Widi Mose Uskoro. See you very soon. Bye. Mwah.